Hey, do this quick yoga routine to get your day started on the right foot.
Let's go.
What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach, and this is Criticalbench. In this video, we're gonna be doing a quick morning yoga routine that can take you anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the amount of time that you have in your morning and what you have going on for the rest of the day. In this yoga routine, we're gonna be moving your spine in all directions. We're gonna be doing flexion, extension, rotation, and lateral bending as well. We're also gonna do a little bit of sun salutation to get the blood flowing. So we'll get started in child's pose, bringing the big toes together, knees apart, stretching the arms out long, and then melting your forehead down to the earth. Just close your eyes. Begin to take some deep breaths. Just allowing this time to ground yourself in the here and now. Taking this time before your day starts to get yourself booted up, mobile, and ready to attack the day. Feeling your ribs and low back expand on each inhale and fall back to the spine on the exhale. And then on your next inhale, we'll roll forward and up into tabletop, stacking wrists directly under shoulders, knees under hips, moving through a few rounds of cat-cow. So on your inhale, we'll drop your belly, lift your tailbone, reach your heart forward. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, low belly draws in. Move with your breath. You can stay with traditional cat-cow or move in any way that comes to you naturally, maybe shifting back in child's pose and transition, or bending the elbows, maybe even rolling the rib cage around in a circle. And we'll return to neutral. Left hand stays down. On your inhale, we'll reach the right arm up to the sky. Work towards squaring your chest towards the right wall. And on your exhale, we'll thread that right arm under the left, reach as far as you can, melt the shoulder and head down. You can stay here or walk the left fingers up overhead. Maybe even that left hand threads behind the low back. You can even extend that left leg down the mat, maybe even floating. Inhale, slowly bring the left hand back alongside. Reach the right arm back up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, tabletop. Moving to the other side, right hand stays down. Inhale, left arm reaches up, chest squaring towards the left wall. Exhale, thread it through, reach as far as you can, melting shoulder and head down. Again, you can walk the right hand up overhead or thread it behind the low back, or maybe extending that right leg, maybe even bringing it to a hover. Wherever you are, just keep breathing. Slowly walk the right hand back alongside, press into that hand, inhale, left arm reaches up to the sky. Exhale, tabletop. Inhale, we'll reach the right leg towards the back of the room, really reaching with that heel, left arm forward. Long line, left fingers, right heel. Inhale, exhale, melt it down. Moving with your rhythm of breath. Inhale, left leg back, right arm forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg, left arm. Exhale, down. Inhale. And exhale. One more time each side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. and exhale. Inhale, reach the right leg towards the back, reach with that heel, and then drop your right leg over to the left, dropping down to the toes, looking over your left shoulder towards that foot. Just breathe here, feeling that nice side body stretch. And hey, I got an interesting report for you. This report is gonna tell you the right ways and the wrong ways to stretch. This report is called Why Stretching Won't Make You Flexible, and you can find it down below in the pinned comment. Inhale, come back to center, reach that right leg towards the back. Exhale, melt it down. Moving to the other side. Inhale, left leg reaches back, reach with that heel. Exhale, left leg over to the right, drop down to the toes, look over that right shoulder towards that foot. Just breathe here. Inhale, returning to center, reach that left heel back. Exhale, tabletop. Good. We'll extend the legs back, coming into plank. Now you can lower down to the knees too if that's too much. And then take a moment to find an external rotation of the shoulders. So if you look here, you want the creases of your elbows facing forward. You're moving through a chaturanga, but you want to bend your elbows back instead of out to the side. Again, lower to the knees if it's too much. Inhale, come forward on the toes. Exhale, lower halfway. Don't allow the shoulders to dip over. Inhale, reach the heart up, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment in your down dog, really reaching your chest towards your thighs, shifting the hips up to the sky, heels down and back. Inhale, come up high on the tippy toes, bend the knees, look towards the front of the room. Exhale, step or float the feet up in between the hands. Inhale, hands to shins, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, ride the wave of your breath all the way to the top of your mountain, palms meet. Exhale, bring it down to your heart. One more round. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step or float the feet back. Move through another chaturanga into upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Take a releasing breath here. Deep breath in through your nose, expand your lungs. Open mouth, sigh, let it go. Inhale, high on the tippy toes, bend the knees, look where you're going. Exhale, step or float the feet up in between the hands. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, reach the arms up to the sky, palms meet. Exhale, bring it down to your heart. Now, you're ready to attack your day. You moved your spine, you got the blood flowing. If you have extra time in the morning, you can do a couple rounds of this, or you can take a little bit longer in each posture. Hey, thanks again. Don't forget to check out that free report down below in the pinned comment. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Namaste.